Welcome back to another video of the exercise discussion of the chapter Subira. Look at your book, page number 48. Given below is a table of sports mentioning where each is played and the equipment used. Complete the following table. First column, sports name given, equipments which are used in these sports and a place where it is played. First, number 1, cricket. Equipments are used: bat, ball, wickets. Places: field. Golf, club, golf course. Badminton, shuttlecock, racket. Badminton court. Roller skating, skates, roller blades, skating rink. Boxing, gloves, ring. Tennis, tennis ball, racket, tennis court. Now see the next page, page number 49. Complete the following table using the positive, negative or interrogative forms of the verbs in keeping with the tenses mentioned. First one, simple present tense. Positive form, negative form and interrogative form we will convert into these three forms. Subira runs every day. Subira does not run every day. Does Subira run every day? Present continuous tense. The students are cheering for Subira. The students are not cheering for Subira. Are the students cheering for Subira? Present perfect tense. Subira has won the race. Subira has not won the race. Has Subira won the race? Present perfect continuous tense. Some students have been preparing for the sports day. Some students have not been preparing for the sports day. Have some students been preparing for the sports day? Simple past tense. She joined the new school yesterday. She did not join the new school yesterday. Did she join the new school yesterday? Past continuous tense. The girls were waiting for the race to start. The girls were not waiting for the race to start. Were the girls waiting for the race to start? Past perfect tense. She took part in the race after she had joined the school. She did not take part in the race after she had joined the school. Did she take part in the race after she had joined the school? Past perfect continuous tense. She had been hoping to win the race. She had not been hoping to win the race. Had she been hoping to win the race? Look at the next page. Simple future tense. She will take the trophy home. She won't take the trophy home. Will she take the trophy home? Future continuous tense. At 10 a.m. tomorrow, Subhira will be practicing for the next event. At 10 a.m. tomorrow, Subhira will not be practicing for the next event. Will Subhira be practicing for the next event at 10 a.m. tomorrow? Now see the fill up the blanks to number. Within the bracket some verbs given. We will change all the verbs into future perfect tense. Number A. By the end of June, he will have finished 12 books. B. The tourists will have returned to their country by the end of the week. C. By the time we get to the station, the train will have arrived at the platform. By the time she comes here, I shall have left. E. When the athletic meet ends, we shall have run 6 relays. F. The artist will have painted the mural before the exhibition opens. G. The children will have not reached home by the time their parents return from work. H. Will the farmers have sown the seeds by the time winter comes? Now third number, use the verbs given below to frame sentences in future perfect tense. Now see, make sentences. Number 1, learn. The actor will have learnt his lines. B number, paint. He will have painted the house by next week. C number, travel. I shall have travelled to New Delhi before Christmas. D number, play. I shall have played my part by the time you come to the hall. Complete. My friend will have completed his homework by evening. Cook. My mother will have cooked lunch by the time I reach home. Climb. Some people will have climbed onto the roof to get a better view. Go. My father will have gone by the time I return from school. Now see the next page. Number 1. Choose the correct option from the ones in the brackets to complete the popular sayings. Find out their meanings from the dictionary and write them in your notebooks. Number 1. A sight for sore eyes. B number, a penny for your thoughts. C number, curiosity killed the cat. D number, stealing one's thunder. E number, turning a blind eye to. F number, beating around the bush. Now we will write the meanings of sore. A way of saying that you are pleased to see someone or that you think that someone is attractive. B number, penny. Said when you ask to know what another person is thinking, especially when he or she has been quiet for a while. Cat. Said to warn someone not to ask too many questions about something. Stealing. To use another person's idea as one's own for one's benefit without asking that person. 2. To refuse to see something, to ignore. Around. To avoid talking on the important matter. Now see the match the following two number. Back a favorite. Support a competitor who is likely to win. B number, give it one's best shot. Put in one's best effort. Warm the cockles of one's heart. Provide a lot of happiness. Run shoulder to shoulder. Move at the same speed as another. Hang onto the tail. Follow someone close behind. Within arm's reach. F number, very close. Full steam ahead. G number, move as fast as possible. Closing in, approaching very near. This is the end of this exercise discussion. Thank you.